Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update our REIT strategy with Vanguard Real Estate ETFs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by reviewing your current REIT strategy. Identify the goals that you want to achieve with your investment. Assess your risk tolerance to ensure it aligns with Vanguard Real Estate ETFs. Research the different Vanguard Real Estate ETFs available. Consider factors such as expense ratios, historical performance, and underlying assets. Choose the appropriate ETF that aligns with your investment goals and risk profile. Open an account with Vanguard if you don't already have one. If you have an existing Vanguard account, log in to your investment platform. Navigate to the section for buying ETFs. Select the Vanguard Real Estate ETF of your choice. Determine the amount you wish to invest. Review the order type, opting for market or limit orders as preferred. Confirm the details of your investment before proceeding. Monitor your investment regularly to assess performance. Revisit your strategy periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your goals. Consider dollar-cost averaging strategies for consistent investment over time. Stay informed about market conditions that may affect REIT performance. Make adjustments to your holdings as necessary based on performance and market trends. Document your investment strategy for future reference. Continue to educate yourself about the real estate market and ETF trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.